Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. A special welcome to the new subscribers. If you're viewing for the first time, a warm welcome to you as well and pleasant viewing. To my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your unwavering support. In this short feature, I am going to be addressing the changes that is likely to occur in the color of the foliage of the jade plant, also known as Crassula ovata, which is a type of succulent growing indoors. If you want to learn a little more about the plant, you can always check out my socials. I am the virtual gardener on both Facebook and Instagram. Let's get right into it. If your jade plant, Crassula ovata, is turning red, it is usually due to stress factors that trigger anthocyanin production, which acts as a natural defense mechanism. Now, anthocyanins are a group of deep red, purple, and blue pigments found in plants. They are a part of a larger category of plant-based chemicals called flavonoids, and flavonoids are abundant in all parts of plants, including fruits, seeds, shoots, flowers, and leaves, and they help the plants to reproduce by attracting pollinators, and they also protect plants from environmental stresses like ultraviolet light, drought, and also cold weather. Here are the most common reasons for the color change. Too much sunlight, temperature stress, watering issues may be related to overwatering or underwatering, nutrient deficiency, as well as natural growth and variety, and we'll be exploring each of them individually. As it relates to too much sunlight, jade plant develop red edges or fully red leaves when exposed to intense sunlight, especially direct afternoon sun. This is normal and can make the plant look more vibrant. However, if it starts looking scorched, consider providing some form of shade. Temperature stress. Extreme temperatures, either hot or cold, can cause reddening. If your jade plant is exposed to cold drafts, frost, or sudden temperature changes, it may respond by changing color. Watering issues. If the plant is not getting enough water, it may turn red as it struggles to retain moisture. In cases where the plant is getting too much water, the plant can suffer root damage, resulting in color changes, but usually with additional symptoms like mushy stems or yellowing of the leaves. Nutrient deficiency. A lack of phosphorus or other essential nutrients can trigger red pigmentation. If your jade plant hasn't been fertilized in a while, you should consider using a balanced succulent fertilizer. Natural growth and variety. Some jade cultivars like Hummel's Sunset naturally have red-tinged leaves. Even regular jades can turn red seasonally, especially in winter or adapting to new conditions. And so you have to be mindful of all of these factors in order to know how to treat the plant whenever the situation arises. What should you do? If the plant is otherwise healthy, then the redness is likely harmless. As I said before, there are some varieties that have this natural coloration. However, if the plant looks stressed, that is, if the leaves are wrinkled, soft, and mushy, and the leaves are falling off, then you need to check light, water, and temperature conditions and adjust them accordingly. If you're unsure about the nutrients, then you need to try a light feeding with a diluted succulent fertilizer. Is your plant experiencing any of these stress factors? Let me know in the comments. And while you're doing that, please give the video a like and share, because all of these action helps the channel to grow. And you can also support me by subscribing if you have not yet done so, and turn on the post notification bell. That way you won't miss out on other plant features that I will be sharing here. Once again, thank you so much for the support.